What's up, fishing folks? It's the one and only fisherman Tuck. I'm down here at the home place, people, because this is in fact where I grew up. This is my childhood home and river. And I'm down here. Yep, it's a fishing freaking weekend, baby. I'm finna close it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go to work tomorrow. Yeah, so at least I get to go on a smile on my face with a little bit of fishing residue left on me. If I'm finna put the yak in, and it's time to go fish.
Get up off the couch, it's time to go fishing. Get up out the house, it's time to go fishing. Go and get the kids, it's time to go fishing. You'll be glad you did, it's time to go fishing.
Alright, y'all, well, there it is. I broke another damn rod. So I put my little Hellgrammite on my spinning reel. Alright, and let's see what she do. And there we go. And there's a fish on already. Yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh. Whoa, baby. Hold up. Hold up, baby. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Call your mama. Call your daddy. Call your grandma and your uncle. Look here. I got a catfish on. Wow. On the Hellgrammite. Damn, I thought it was a bass. I really did. Wow. That's something. Okay. I thought it was a bass, yo. But it's all good. I'm gonna toss him and try to catch a bass for real this time. Ah, oh yeah, that was, ooh, he won't come at all. Oh, Mr. Catfish. All right, y'all know I'm a wrestling fan, so Mr. Catfish is gonna do a shooting star back in the water. Up on the bank up there, that's some tree branches, you know. And I cut some of them down and I threw some of them in the water. And that fish was on a big branch I had threw in the water, I think. Early in the spring, and see y'all tonight. All right, y'all, one catfish on the board. And now I'm further up river. Oh, fishing, folks. Got a fish on. Yeah, that's a bass, baby. Shit. Let me bring him around. Hell yeah, baby. I knew it. Let me get you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's a pretty fish right there, baby. Let me string you on. Hold up. Oh man, that's, oh yeah, baby, look at that. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm all up in the trees, baby. In your living room, boy. Catfish, bass. Yeah, like I said, fishing, folks. That's it, baby. On the Hellgrammite, okay. I tossed there's a drop off right over there, not too far from that tree branch, but that's where this beautiful fish was. And now, oh man, fish just ran off with it. Hold up, let me go back. Yeah, man, seeing this Hellgrammite, you gotta dead stick it. All right, folks, y'all see where I'm at, right? Fishing this whole strip. Now, I just had a bite a second ago. It ran off with it. But see, I'm just chilling. I'm taking my time, and I'm fishing. You know, I got it blocked off. All right, I'm fishing it down section by section, okay, and just make a fan cast, you know, cause I know it's bass back here. I know it is. It's nice and cool. The creek is back that way. folks, I wasn't even recording right. I just had it sitting in the water, and bam, look at this little crappie on the hairgun, right? Ah, snap. Wow, I didn't even, oh my God. Next thing, I mean, something pulled my rod in the water, and bam. Oh shoot, there you go. Dang, I wasn't even recording, yo. Oh, fish on. Look at that, baby. on the baby pilgrim, Mike got crappie. Yeah. See, versatility, ingenuity, just thinking outside the box. That'll keep you catching fish all day. Oh, baby, fishing, folks. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at that nice crappie action. Ah. Oh, yes. Oh, damn. That's a big one there, baby. Whoa. That's a bit of a slab right there. Hot dog. Look at that. All right, I had to switch up to my little B&M grub. All right, then the crappie-tastic action is going to continue. Where's all this water coming from? Fishing, folks. We found a school of crappie, and it's kind of weird. All right, what I'm doing with the first couple of fish I caught, I had I pinched off a piece of that hellgrammite tail. Okay, and now I was jigging it on the bottom. There you go. Oh, catfish. Catfish. Ah, he come off. Wow. Caught a catfish on the grub. Okay, anyway. So I was, had that hellgrammite tail, pinched that off. Look at that, another fish on. That's a crappie. Oh God, this is so much fun, man. Anyway. So I would let it sink to the bottom, just drag it ever so slightly, and I would catch a few fish, and they stopped biting, so I switched to this. And now I'm catching catfish, crappie, everything, man. It's just hey. And with this B&M, hey, I'm just letting it sink to the bottom. There you go. Got him. Let it sink to the bottom, and I'm just killing them, baby. Tuck up in the house, boy. Look at this. Tuck fishing can. Hold on. I'm talking to make sure I got the camera angle. And I am, I'm veering off course. All right, y'all, I had to park the yak in the shade there. And now, back to action. Now, I'm just letting it sink. And it ain't got to sink long. Look at this. Look at that, baby. Ooh, yo, daddy. Come on up in the house. Ah, yes. Hot damn, I ain't got to do much. Look at that. Crappie, bass. Shoot. Racking them up. Ah, snap. Paranoid, folks. I feel like something. I'm getting paranoid. I hate that. Got him. That's it. Oh, yeah. Look at that action, baby. I don't know how many it is. I'm gonna have to count. I'm gonna have to put a counter up. Cause I'm just up in here in one spot. Killing it. Got another one. Oh, snappy, come on. Oh my God. Focus it back on. Now watch, I'm gonna let it sink to the bottom. Right? And as it's sinking, sometimes the fish will hit it. And sometimes I would throw it back on a steady retrieve and then it hit it. Some of these fish active. So it pretty much don't matter.
Get up off the couch, it's time to go fishing. Get up out the house, it's time to go fishing. Go and get the kids, it's time to go fishing. You'll be glad you did, it's time to go fishing.